Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage MAC addresses for Wi-Fi connections. Understanding your device's unique media access control address is crucial for several reasons. It acts like a digital fingerprint, identifying your device on a network. Implementing MAC address filtering can significantly boost your network's security, ensuring only approved devices can connect. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just a password, making your home or office network more secure against unwanted access. Finding your device's MAC address is straightforward across different operating systems. For Windows users, a quick command in the command prompt will reveal it as the physical address. Mac users can easily locate it within their system settings under the network preferences for Wi-Fi. Android and iOS devices also provide this information in their respective Wi-Fi or About settings. It's a unique 12-character identifier, often displayed in a format like Roman 20 Roman 20 Roman 20 Roman 20 Roman 20 Roman 20 or Roman 20, Roman 20, Roman 20, Roman 20, Roman 20, Roman 20. Once you have your MAC address, the next step is to add it to your router's settings. You'll typically do this by opening a web browser and entering your router's IP address, usually found on a sticker on the device itself. After logging in with your administrator credentials, look for a section related to wireless, security, or access control. Here, you'll find the MAC filtering option. Enable it, then carefully input your device's MAC address into the allowed list and save your changes. Implementing MAC address filtering offers several significant benefits for your network security. It acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that only devices you explicitly approve can join your Wi-Fi. This is particularly useful for home networks, allowing you to manage access for family members or guests. While not a foolproof solution on its own, when combined with a strong, complex password, MAC filtering provides a robust defense against unauthorized connections. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain control over your wireless environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.